your goal is not enough.
What's up friends, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to make a music game. So let's choose a sprite and go to music, and let's select these instruments. Okay, so now I've uploaded all the music characters, the sprites, so let me arrange it. So I was thinking for a long time and I got this setup, but I think that a few things are extra, so let me delete it. Okay, so I have deleted few things. Now let me arrange it. So now you can see that I changed the backdrop. I added few characters like Abby, Ballerina. Then I deleted also few characters. Few musical instruments. So I added Ballerina because she's a dancer and she will dance. We'll play here. Then Abby will sing and Ballerina will dance. So what you have to do, go to any musical instrument, then go to events, and when this sprite clicked means we are going to click the sprite, then it will play. So when sprite clicked, and then we have to go to sounds, and you can see like high tone and low tone. So you can let me select high tone and start. Then we have to go to sound and start sound high tone. So this is a drum. So you can see I am pressing it, I'm clicking it, and it's playing. So like this we have to do for all the musical instruments. So I have added the sounds, you can see. Okay, now let's make Ballerina dance. So let's go to Ballerina. Then when this sprite clicked, then we will go to forever loop, then looks, the next costume actually. So we have 4 costumes in Ballerina: Ballerina A, Ballerina B, Ballerina C, Ballerina D. Then now let's start it. So you can see this glitch, it's very fast. So to fix this, we have to go to control and wait 0.1 second. Now let's do. Now you can see it's here. It's good. So thanks for watching this video, guys. If you liked it, then please subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon. So thanks for watching.